In this video, let us solve this equation. So we have 5 raised to the power t is equal to t raised to the power 625. Okay, and here what to solve for the value of t that will satisfy this given equation. So t is the unknown that to solve. Now to solve this solution, so we have 5 raised to the power t is equal to t raised to the power 625. So the first thing to do is to multiply both sides by a power 1 over t. So you have in brackets 5 raised to the power t, then multiply by power 1 over t is equal to in bracket t raised to the power 625 multiplied by power 1 over t. Now, applying the rule that if you have a raised to the power c multiplied by power d, this equals a raised to the power c times d. So applying this rule right to this, and here also the answer will be 5 raised to power t here will multiply power 1 over t, which equals t raised to power 625 then times 1 over t, such that from here we have it as 5. T we divide t, you have 1, which equals we have t, then 625 times 1 is power 625 all over we have t. Now at this junction, right, we are going to multiply both sides by power 1 over 625 to eliminate 625. So 5 raised to power 1 is something as 5, then multiplied by power 1 over 625, right, is equal to, we have this, t raised to power 625 over t, then multiplied by power 1 over 625. Okay, also applying this rule right here, what you're going to have is that we're going to have 5 raised to power 1 over 625 is equal to t raised to power 625 times 1 is 625 over t times 625 is 625 then times t, such that we have it as 5 raised to power 1 over 625 is equal to t raised to power 625 cancel out 625, we have 1 over t. At this junction, if you look closely on your right hand side, t here, which is the base, is equal to t here, which is the power denominator, the denominator. So what you're going to do is that we're also going to make the base right here to equal the power denominator. And to do so, right, we can achieve that by, we have 5 raised to power. This can be written as 1 times 1 over 625 is equal to, we have t raised to power 1 over t. At this junction, right, if you have 1 over 1, this equals 5 over 5, which is to give us back 1. So in putting in place of 1, we can write 5 over 5, right? So we have 5 raised to power 1 can be written as 5 over 5. So 5 over 5 then times 1 over 625, right, is equal to t raised to power 1 over t. So from here, we have it that 5 raised to power 5 times 1 is 5 over 5 times 625 is 3125 is equal to t raised to power 1 over t. Now at this junction, right, we can write this power in the form of 5 raised to power, we have 5 times 1 over 3125, which equals t raised to power 1 over t. Now applying the principle that if you have a raised to power c times d, this equals in brackets a raised to power c then power of d. So applying this right to this right here, what we will then have is that we're going to have it as 5 raised to power 5 then in bracket, right, power of 1 over 3125, right, is equal to t raised to power 1 over t. So with this, right, 5 raised to power 5 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this equals 3125. Okay. So in place of 5 power of 5, you can bring in 3125. So in bracket 3125 all raised to power 1 over 3125 is equal to t raised to power 1 over t. Now looking at it closely, what we have done is that we have made the base right here, okay, to equal the power denominator. Same thing also on the right hand side. T, which is the base, is equal to the power denominator, which which is also t, denominator. Okay, now from here, since we have made the base to equal the power denominator, we can then apply a rule that if you have a raised to power b, which equals a raised to power c, since the bases are equal, we can simply compare the exponents just that b is equal to c. So from here, we can compare the exponents such that 1 over 3125 is equal to 1 over t, and then to solve for t, simply cross multiply. T times 1 is t, which equals 1 times 3125 is 3125. Now with this, we've gotten the value of t. But then, let's confirm if the value of t that we got as this is the correct solution that will satisfy the given equation. So we got 3125 as the value of t. So let's check. The equation is 5 raised to power t, which equals t raised to power 625. And the value of t that we got was 3125, right? So in place of t, we'll bring in 3125. So 5 raised to power t is now 3125 is equal to t is 3125 raised to power 625. Okay, so with this equal question mark. Now from here, 5 raised to power 3125, okay, is equal to, don't forget that 5 raised to power 5 in 5 places is equal to 3125, right? So in place of this, you can bring in 5 raised to power 5. So in brackets, 5 raised to power 5, then power of 625. So with this equal, so question mark. So with this, applying the rule that if you have a raised to power b, then power of c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So applying this rule right to this, what we then have is that 5 raised to power 3125 is equal to, now 5 raised to power 5 times 625 is 3125. So as you can see, 5 power of 3125 is equal to 5 power of 3125, which is the correct answer. So that means that the value of t that we got as 3125 is the correct solution. Okay, with this, ladies and gentlemen, right, we've come to an end of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.